First slide, Commitment Towards Work by Sai Krishna. And yes, everyone will love their job, their boss, their company, their colleagues. But how many of you love your work? How many of you enjoy your work? Can you give me with your comments? I will repeat again. How many of you love yourself? How many of you love about your company or job, professional? How many of you love your work? Yes. So commitment towards work in this situation due to pandemic and all that, we need to love our work. Once we love the work, automatically we can get everything automatically. Yes. So everyone will love their company, job, and everything. So in my point of view, that if you love your work, you can sustain, you can enlarge your skills, enlarge your potential in the next level. Yes, it's general slide. A good teacher needs to be like any professional that knowledge, alive, advocate, innovative, patient, and commitment. So that these are the things every person required as a profession, that knowledgeable, alive, accurate, innovative, patiency, and committed. Yes. So what is commitment? So we all are promised to the person, either friend, either relative, either parents, anyone. We all are commitment towards work. So what is mean by commitment? What we do in our company or anywhere, so workplace. So we should not be basis of race, color, creed, sex, national origin, marital status, political or religious beliefs, family, social and culture, or sexual orientation unfairly. Shall not unreasonable deny the students access to various points of view. So we should not think about in that perspective. So we all are humans. We think as that human. It's not about color or region, rich or poor, or the family background or political background. What it may be that we need the person should be in a human way point of view. So that once we require automatically, so the next person we can do the perfectly. So once we check how we treat ourselves, if we treat others also, we can sustain easily. So these are the few commitment rules and regulations when we work in workplace. See, you take an example in United States of America or so many countries that, so in the companies they are doing that well planned. Yes, that will mean next. See example, corporate companies or Google, Facebook, whatever may be that. So they are all are equal. They want to see that race, color, or creed, or nation, or marital status, or political, whatever may be that. So they think as a our mind should be in the next level. So once we are in a immature or innovative that, so our thought process should be is a normal way, common way, because we all are common thing. Yes, so this is the main slide. Person attributes. So when we in the workplace, we need to be sustain all these components. So example, we have given the 15 components that what we do successfully. So once you follow all these 15, automatically we can achieve the success. Maybe you have knowledge, maybe you have good communication, maybe you have good thing. But apart from that, we need extra skills. Automatically, that makes you in a next position. So let me have anyone in the comments that how many of you once you reach to your workplace, either school, college, IT company, non-IT company, or anywhere that how many of you greet, how many of you smile, how many of you say hi, how many of you wish a good morning. I repeat again, when you going from workplace in the early morning time, any company or office, whatever may be that, how many of you wish, how many of you say hi, how many of you say good morning, how many of you say hug, or whatever may be there in your local conditions that. Yes, yes, a smile is the universal language that makes you other person so comfortable, so easy there. The day starts with happiness. Automatically the day full of 24 hours, we feel very very happy. So we can greet anyone, either smile, either say good morning or happy morning, either hi, whatever that. So once you wish the person in the next of our colleague or boss, anyone, that makes our workplace will be very positive thoughts. Because apart from after 24 hours, we are staying with our colleagues only. We are staying with our boss. We are staying with our company more than 12 hours, right? So that in that workplace, we need to be create a positive environment. Once we create a positive environment, we'll get that good confidence skills. We can do work easily. So So I'm repeating one. I'm going to read one by one so that we can discuss in shortly. So first thing, positive. As I said, what is positive about good morning, hi, smile, anything. Next, communicative. So our communication is a two-way communication and dependable, personable, compassionate, and motivational and commitment, organized, flexible, individual, perspective, and value based, knowledgeable, creative, patient, and the last not but not least, sense of humor. We need in our workplace sense of humor because we are not robots. We are not working 24 by 7. So we need sense of humor in our gang, our group of members, in our colleagues. So because of why we require sense of humor. Sense of humor that makes you more fun, happy, and make our work easily. I'm going to repeat again all the 15 points one by one again. Positive. So if you require, you can take it screenshot. So it will use for you that. So the first one, positive, communicative, dependable, personable, organized, committed, motivational, compassionate, flexible, individual, value-based, knowledgeable, creative, patient, and sense of humor. Now we are going to discuss one by one. The positive. So think positively and enthusiastically about people and what they are capable of becoming. So in workplace, we like example attender or a watchman or anyone. So that we need gratitude. We need to show positive from watchman to boss because everybody is an employee. Everyone is working towards the company or anything. So workplace. So when you say good morning to the watchman, how do you feel that? You feel very happy. So at the same time, how we say to boss, how do you say to colleague? So we need to be positive from watchman to and company boss because the workplace everybody is working because and their streams are different. Watchman duty and attender will do attender duty and employee will do employee duty. Manager will do manager role. Everybody they have their role, their type of commitment towards work. But we need to share our feelings like happiness, like positivity to everyone. Next one, communicate. Yes, as I said that once we enter into the workplace, we need to be communicate. Shares with others in a manner that encourages effective two-way communication. So we require two-way communication because, and we know that animals can speak towards, even plants can speak. So like that, as humans, when we enter in the workplace and even that, we require two-way communication. Example, hi, hi, hello, hello, good morning, good morning. If you don't want to communicate, just you can give smile. A smile is a thing, it's a universal language. A smile is a curve, right? Smile is a curve that makes your life straight line. So smile is one of the non-verbal communication to the other person. So in the workplace, we require the communication between the two persons that makes you healthy relationship in our workplace. Next, dependable, honesty and authentic in working with others. So when we are working with others, we require honesty because that truth, trust of the person, it's every time. Maybe on that situation we not be fail, but once we lie, automatically it takes too much of bragging. So that once you honest, that makes you a good gentleman, a good person in that society. Personable, establish and maintains positive mutual working relationship. So when we are in the workplace, so we require to maintain mutual understanding that makes you that without worries. It makes you happiness of the both either male or female or whatever may be that the workplace that makes you very happiness to face. Organize it, yes, it's required because can we clap with one hand? No. It makes two hands makes you clap. Like that, when in the function, everybody will clap. It makes you sound. Anyone can like clap with one hand? No. So that two hands, every person hands makes you make louder. At the same time, makes efficient use of times and moves in plan and systematical direction. So we require when we conduct any function or anything that we require organizing. So every person is required. So every person is need to their work. That makes you the thing. Say example, when you are a sailor ship, so when you're going for that, every person we require to workplace in the shipyard, so that it makes you to the smooth way. So automatically the organizing skills in the team building, it makes you powerful, then we'll get the best output. See, example, take an example, cricket. Only Dhoni or Kohli should not play that. Every person, every cricketer will require to play. Then only any country to make the win. Either 1%, 2% playing well, you can't get the success. To make every person in the cricket team, that makes you in the winning chances. So required organizing skills in every person, then leads to successful program. Committed, it's one of the best one. Committed, that once we committed towards that anything, that we have to stick on that. So demonstrate committed for the students and professions, and it self-confident, poised and personal in control of situation. So that when you are self-confident to committed towards any person, that makes you the number one. Motivation, yes, we have everything. So because when you take about team manager, sales manager will make you motivate when you are demotivating, when you're getting less results, when you're getting less profits or something. Some other person like team manager or TL, the person has motivate you very perfectly. Example, enthusiastic with standards and expectation for the students and the self. So what happened, a teacher will motivate the students when the students get the less marks. When teachers motivates, automatically what happens? The next day they motivate themselves, either winning or losing. The next day itself they start learning. It makes you better results. So motivation in our life, personal motivational, professional motivational, and family motivational, and group of community motivation we require. That makes you perfectly. Compassionate. So caring, empathetic, and able to respond to people at their feeling level. See that, like understanding others' feeling, empathy, sympathy. We have that empathy, understanding ourselves. So sympathy, understand like others' feeling very lightly. Empathy, understanding others' feeling in our point of view. So we really require to be empathic to the other person. For example, if someone fell down, simply we laugh, but we not to be take at them. So when they are falling down with the exams, or when you are not doing their job perfectly, we need to support them, because some other time we may get a chance to that, because when we are fall down, we require one hand. So in this case, we should be empathy, we should understand others feelings, we should understand in others point of view. If I am in that place, how I feel, so that everything's not good, right? At the same time, we need to be empathic to the other person. Flexible, so willing to alter plans and directions in a manner which assists to people moving towards their goals. So we should be flexible, we should be a future kind of person, we should be planned towards our workplace. Individual perspective, yes. You might be thinking that, sir, how can we do that as a group of members, all not will be same person. Example, can you take 5 fingers are same, but it makes two group of thing, automatically we can do success. See, all the fingers are same size, not, no, there's no same size. So what will happen, once we punch with the boxing, that automatically it makes success, because of 5 people, everybody have their own perspective. So a short one, longer one, thick one, everybody have their own perspective. But once they 5 members are joined in as a punch, automatically it makes the success. So that we require every person, they have own perspective, but we need to collaborate everybody. Once we gather in the same place, that makes you perfect punch. Value based, focus upon the worth and dignity of human being. Yes, we require values also when we work, when we are workplace, that we require a lot of ethical values. As we learned the last session, it's all of ethics and values. So without values, there's no use. If you're earning a lot of money without values, who can? Either family or your wife, your spouse, your husband, whomever to be, maybe children, they won't take care. Without values, we can't sustain. Without nothing else, because we require values. In some matter, at least 80% we require the values. And in the workplace, when you're doing something, that at some situations might be. But without values, the work or the money, the name, the credibility, it's nothing else. So we focus on, and this when we're doing the value based of the work, that makes you feel happy. We can sleep with the values, that very freely. Knowledgeable, yes. Always ask, always seek knowledge, because education or anything, wherever you're there, it's like a drop of thing we are learning. Everything is we have to learn, we need to update. Even you can take example, mobiles are updating every day. Even mobile applications in Play Store, everything's updating day by day. Why should not be update ourselves? Ask, always seek for knowledge. We need to be grow, either learning books, watching movies, exploring the new things, newspaper articles, or anything that. So it makes you helpful in some other time. Maybe we are not doing that because now in the pandemic we don't know, a lot of people not have idea about health and hygienic. But if you learn that, if you're understanding the health and hygienic, that makes you in some other play time, some other place we can understand. So every person we require knowledge. So knowledge is only certain time. Yes, I learned, I studied, complete my studies. That's enough. Not, it's not like that. So we require the knowledge at most that makes you enhance your skills day by day to makes you perfectly. So you can take an example. The world richest person, Bill Gates. He has a lot of libraries, books in the library every day. Every minimum 3 to 4 books he is going to read. Even his busy time, even he has a busy time in the workplace, but still is reading the new books. Still, you can see that Facebook wall and some other place is suggesting a lot of books. Why? We don't have time to read. We don't have time to learn new things. But why? Because the Bill Gates is the richest person in the world. Still, a lot of money and a lot of everything is there. Why should he learn? Why should he read to spend the time? Because of knowledge. Knowledge will makes you perfect. Money will come and go. See example, one quotation from one of my father told that is that if I give 1 rupee to you, if you give me 1 rupee to me, I have 1 rupee, you have 1 rupee. I'm repeating again. If you give 1 rupee to me, if I give 1 rupee to you, how much we have? 1 rupee. If I give one knowledge, one thought to you, if you give me one thought to me, how much we have? Two thoughts. I'm repeating again. If I give 1 rupee to you, if you give me 1 rupee to me, how much we have? 1 rupee. We are exchanging that one. But when we exchange our knowledge, I have my knowledge, I have learned from your knowledge also. So knowledge makes a powerful practice that makes you in the next level. Creative, yes, the very few people have the creative knowledge, like creative in the sense innovative of new ideas, vision, imagination, creativity, innovation. So it's out of the box. Very few people will come and workplace at 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Yes, that's it, I have done my work, I'll go off. But few people have some do something, that vision, they have some creativity, they have some imagination, they have innovation. It may be a small thing or big thing. We need to encourage them, that makes that very easy for them. So creativity makes that, because when you see Apple, iPhone, or Google, Microsoft, they are good in the creative persons. That makes our life will be very, very easy. Yes. And patience, the patience is very, very, very required, as we are when we're in the workplace. One thing that maybe it's a good or it's a fault or anything from our side, we require the two things, listening and patience. Then it might be they can realize in any wrong situation, in anything, that once you listen them and with patience is that they can understand what they did mistake. So deliberate is coming to the on conclusions. So nothing but that, the conclusion. So once you listen, once understanding others, and automatically the whom the person insult you or treat you as a very bad way, he can understand in some other time. If you shout or whatever be that, it won't be worked out. So we require the patience, we require the listening skills. That makes the powerful thing to get understanding the person. Because you can say that the Swami Vivekananda, he has a good listener, good patience there. So what happened if everything is happened the work? We should listen. We should be patient, that automatically they can understand. Sense of humor, as I told in the starting, you can see the all the faces are very smiley, very happily. Because when you say that take the picture, you will smile. It's not only taking the picture. Every time we need to be smile and happy. As I told, starting the greeting smile. A smile when you make happy, when you make laughing, that we have, I think, around 250 neurons will activate at the same time. But when you sad, even one neurons will be less, very not be active, not active. So when we smile, when we happy, 230 neurons will be active at the same time. So not only taking the pictures, not only posting Facebook and all that social media, we need to smile every time. When we wake up in front of mirror, you can smile, you can greet yourself, and automatically that makes your life and the day happily. knows how to take that tension out of tight situations. So when we tensions, when we feel stress, when we feel unbiased, so that in that time we require the smile and happiness. That's why we can see a lot of countries have that laughing clubs in the parks every morning. They will laugh lot of time, lot of much. That makes you very very happy. So that's why we can take as the Japan, the China people are living like index level. Example, like Denmark is the highest happy index in the world. Denmark is the country, the first place in the happy living index, because in the Denmark people very feel happy. They're very good in that. So like that, in every place we require to think to be in that time, because anger, will get the tension, will get that hypertension, all that. We can see that happy smile face that makes you love happy, that makes you perfectly. That's we required in our group sense of humor of any person, that makes you our workplace will free and feel to that. So one thing I'm saying that whatever thing that we to love our work. Once we love, example, everybody thinks as our office like a Jurassic Park, but we think as our office like a children play area. If you love to play, if you ask any student, he likes, instead of sitting in the classroom, he goes to play in the park. So we think as a our work home, our office is like a playground. So once you love your work, you feel very happy. You don't have stress, because most of people have stress, depression because of that. They are instructing the brain, yes, I'm doing a lot of work, I'm doing 9 to 9, I'm doing a lot of things. But if you love, if you enjoy the workplace, automatically you can do the success. So without pressure, without anything. So this is the that happened in Denmark and most of the countries. So wherever, when you go for workplace, whatever may be that, love and enjoy that, how we play, how we enjoy watching movie, how we enjoy playing game. At the same time, think it as a workplace is a enjoyable. If you love and do that, you can do that 24 hours. You can do any time. So if you without loving, without underestimating a job and profile, you might feel as a yes, I can't do it. So what I'm saying that one thing, to love your job, love your work, you can grow yourself in a next level. Yes, this is a small psychological commitment, and you can see the level of commitment. You can see from starting the downwards, non-committal. I will not do it. I will influence others. Yes, few people in the office that will think that I can't do it. I'm unable to do it. Yes, next one. Few people complain. People like, why should I do? What is the reason? If the boss says I should, I'll say tomorrow. If nobody says no, complaints after the next level. I have to do it. I can do it when I'm told to. Yes, I will do it, but it takes the time. So these three are that makes you negativity. So that it's like arrogant if you don't like, for your depression if you don't like to do something. But if you're committed towards work, I will do it. I will lead others to do it. This is the thing as a leader, as a boss. See, example, I will do it. I will make them do it. Others also. So this is that hierarchy of commitment towards the work. This is the level. It's a commitment towards work, complaints people, and commitment people. It always makes you in a high position. So if you are committed toward the works, yes, I can do it. I can make it as a other person do it. So example, like an example, Dhoni or Sachin Kohli. Yes, I can do it. I can make others also do it. That makes leader. Example of in a family, a father, he will do it. He makes entire family do it in a commitment way. That makes you in a perfect. Yes, and coming to the last slide, what does commitment look like? This is, you have the thought. Yes, what is commitment? You might be questioning that what is commitment means this. You can see all the pictures people, they are committed towards the work in a different countries and different nations, from all the background, sports, culture, and all the like space and book writers, everyone. You can see that from different nations, different people are towards commitment that makes in the picture. So do you want your picture in this in the slide? Yes. If you work hard, if you do it, we can achieve. We can do it. Yes. Because the people are committed towards that. That makes you perfect. Example, Martin Luther King and Mahatma Gandhi ji, or a lot of people are committed towards the work. Abraham Lincoln, might be so many people know about Abraham Lincoln. He is I think around 8 times he defeated in the US nation. After that, at the age of 70 years, 75 years, he won as a president. Right? See, he's committed towards want to become a president unless to achieve that position, he fought until his age. Maybe one time or two time, third time, still he fight for every time. After that, he reached the success. So this is commitment picture looks like. Yes. Thank you. I hope understood everyone. My maybe a little bit fast. So the thing is make a commitment and you will move mountains. Yes. Yes, you heard right. Make a commitment and you will move mountains. Example, one hand cannot do anything. If you make them other sorts commitment, we can move the mountains easily. For example, if you're stuck in the car, something in the traffic, one person cannot move the car. 2 people, 3 people, 10 persons can move easily, right? That makes you commitment. Once you commitment, we can achieve everything. I hope you understood, and thanks for giving for that.